What's going on, everybody? It's getting sunny and warm outside. It's April 6th. Micro Scale Garage here, episode 56. All right. Last episode, we ended up putting the roof rack on. I had to be careful taking my body off because I got the light bar hooked up now. I got my resistor. I got it all in there. I was messing around on my Instagram, all three of them. I got Don's light bar on there. I'm gonna try and paint around it as much as I can so that way it don't look so like a microchip. Because I don't have the skills to make like a full-on like light bucket for it and everything. So what I did was I used the existing OH Atlanta Hunter buckets and I made it look like it was, it was made on. So I'm gonna paint it and put some more mud effect on it. I'm gonna try and paint in between the green up in there, probably around the top and around the bottom. I ended up using the Jeep's antenna. I gave the truck an antenna. Just a little bit of more scale accessory stuff. And then talking about the Jeep. Let me see here, I gotta clean my table off. Got the Jeep all running using that turbo remote. I'm really liking it. Put the extra speed metal mirrors on. It looks pretty cool. I think they'll hold up a little bit better than the plastic ones. So I'm gonna get ready once it warm up out there and my back's feeling better. I'm gonna go out there so we can get all three of them a running video. I ended up putting the grill in there. I don't know if you guys can see that real well with the light, but you can't really see the fan no more. Alright, buddy, I'll be out there in a minute so we can play Splatoon. And then I got the grill up here. Once it warm up, it's like 38 degrees outside right now in Michigan. We're gonna go out and crawl. Got our F-150 running, so we got all three of those running. I just want to talk about the Bronco real quick. I ended up hooking up some SMDs. I had two orange SMDs left from Don that Don gave me from his little light bar kit. Or no, from the Dace's Mikaru kit. I had some oranges. I painted these orange because I was putting orange ones in there, and as I was soldering that driver, the passenger one, I popped the plastic lens off. So I went through my kit. I had some yellow ones, so right now there's yellow SMDs in there. Actually, they're crazy glued in. I'm not gonna try and pop them out. That's just how it is. It's orange when it's off, but when it's on, it turns on yellow. All the spaghetti wiring, I'm gonna try and glue all the wires on the side of the body here, try and clean it up. I ended up drilling small holes in here in the rear, so that way the rear tail light will shine through. I got those glued in. The SMD's glued in right there. So that way the red at least shines through. Give it a little bit more scale look. Right now what I'm gonna do is I gotta drill the holes so that way I can get these 3mm LEDs in the hole. But I don't want it to go past these holes. I'm gonna drill these holes out, probably out to the rim, like around to the bevel where it starts to bevel into a bowl. I'm gonna drill it all the way out, Dremel it all the way out into where it starts into a bowl. That way when I put this grill on and I have the lights glued in and wired up on here, they'll be sitting in here, in this fixture here, instead of the grill. So that way I can just glue my lenses on and then bam, you got the light shining through. Because I don't want the bulbs to be pushing. That's what happened here is when I was putting it on the grill, I had the bulbs in there pushing and they're not really flush. As you guys can see, it's all crooked and stuff. So I want to try and clean all that up and make it look better. My ball studs should be in from Banggood. It said April 25th, so on the 25th we should have the extra ball studs. I gotta find more batteries is what I gotta do. I gotta get more of these fly batteries. I'm gonna go up to Excel sometime next week. I'm gonna see if he's got some small 2-cell batteries, because now that he's got an Orlando Hunter, Fred, the owner at the sale, he's got an Orlando Hunter Jeep. Hopefully he went and ordered in some batteries this small or something. I gotta try and get some batteries, because 2 of my Orlando Hunter batteries, they're shot. A couple of my drone batteries are shot. They won't even take a charge or even connect to the charger. So yeah, right now I'm in the midst of batteries, and we're about to be getting this Bronco going. And then I'm gonna order the metal axles, because on the semi-truck build, since we got the metal axle for the run-through, I'm just gonna order the kit for the metal axles, and then that's what we're gonna use. And then I want to get a scale body for the barrage. We're thinking about doing scale body barrage for this. I don't know what type of body yet. And then for these shocks, I'm thinking about taking the shocks apart, and how this has like a little sleeve chamber in there where you can't grease them. I'm thinking about putting like a shock inside the shock body itself to try and stiffen up the shocks so they're not so bouncy. And then we're gonna go out and look for a scale body for that. But all right, you guys, this has been a quick little video. I just got to get ready so that we can do some crawl videos. I got to go pick up some batteries for this controller, batteries for that turbo controller, and I got to get an Orlando Hunter battery so that way Christine can run her Datsun. Because right now I'm using this big giant drone battery I usually use for my Aurora 90, but I need a speed controller for my Aurora 90. So I squeeze this battery in my F-150, so that way the Jeep will have its original Orlando Hunter battery, and then that Fly battery can go in the Pedro, and then I can swap the Orlando Hunter battery from that truck to this truck. But alright, you guys, that's just been my video for today. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, see you guys in the next video.